Okay, boys and girls. So Willow and Caramel want to know what effect friction will have in how the car moves. So we're going to do this experiment using the same wheel and axle system we had before. And this time we're going to keep the ramp always at the medium level. Okay, so I want to see what happens with it with friction. So we're going to have gravity pull it down the ramp. And right now the floor is really smooth, right? And it goes pretty nicely. So let's see how far it's going. All right, so we're gonna count how far it goes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 blocks. Okay, so that's because the floor is very smooth, very easy to roll on. And now what I want us to do is see what will happen if we put something in front of the ramp. So I'm gonna put a yoga mat. I'm gonna actually put 2 yoga mats end to end, and we're gonna see what happens when the car now has to go over this bumpier surface. You see it's got some bumps on it. So we're gonna see what happens now. So here we go. It rolls down. It doesn't look like it's going as far. It definitely seemed to slow down. Okay, let's see. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 blocks. Okay, so I want to do it again because this is science. Right, Willow and Caramel? We always do it at least twice. Okay, I'm going to do it again. Repeat the experiment. And go. It seems that once it gets on the smooth surface, it moves better. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12, the same. Okay, now what I want us to do is I want to, instead of having the yoga mats, I want to use a rug. I'm going to use a rug now. And I'm going to put the rug down. And I'm going to see what the difference is. Now this rug is quite a bit bumpier and kind of a little bit fuzzier than the yoga mats. Okay, here comes the wheel and axle system. Are you ready, Willow? Here we go. Oh my gosh. It didn't even get off the rug. Let's try again. Wow. It didn't even go. Let's see. 1, it went 1, 2, 2.5 blocks. Wow, what a difference friction makes. So first we started with a really smooth surface. There's not a lot of friction. The friction doesn't push back. Then we had the mat, yoga mat, which had a little bit more friction, and it slowed down the car. The last one was the rug, which was very soft and kind of fluffy and had a lot of friction. And that made the car, the wheel and axle system, go the slowest and the shortest distance. Willow and Caramel, is that what you thought would happen? Did you think that friction would slow it down? Wow, your guys are so smart. So boys and girls, friction pushes back against the wheels. So gravity was pulling the wheels down. Gravity is a pulling force, pulling it down the ramp. And friction is a pushing force. It pushes back against the wheels. And if there's enough friction, it slows down. I would love it if you guys could come up with your own experiments and write them in your motion book. What experiments can you use that shows me the pull of gravity and friction, the push of friction? I would love for you guys to come up with a couple of different experiments. Make sure to do them more than one time. Scientists always do experiments more than one time. Willow and Caramel are very excited to hear about what you're doing. So do an experiment, write it up, or draw a picture of what you did in your book and tell me what happened. All right, take care, Cougars.